Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, which generally is very critical. Velo especially has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, which explicitly is very critical. Velo's EMA10 explicitly shows a very descending pattern incredibly. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they sort of thought. 01 November 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these as often as possible in a real sense, got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what essentially is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Velo, generally is Velo in every way that really matters, wise venture. In every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the Velo specialized investigation, in a real sense, let us explicitly discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which certainly is genuinely huge. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,274,991,402,849, which truly is very critical. The sort of all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $38,247,734,149 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 52.79% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, showing how the genuinely all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $38,247,734,149, or so they for the most part thought. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,462.36 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.26%, coming to $1,805.21 during the past 24 hours, which basically is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.84, following a value change of 1.12% within a similar time period in a really significant manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, generally is up by 4.76 and as of now exchanging at 60 cents in a fundamentally large manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions truly show that the market in every practical sense is going in a truly descending heading for present moment, which basically is very critical. Right now, a genuinely broad certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an essentially significant manner. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a really descending heading for pretty transient incredibly. Support really is a level at which purchasers explicitly become sort of more beautiful dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which certainly shows what truly brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $34,462.36 level after a vertical development of 0.19% in a truly significant manner. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which vendors most certainly become commonly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file, Velo, for the most part is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in a by and large huge manner. However, Velo truly has a value decline of 5.82% in the fundamentally last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week, with a by and large complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, exhibiting how support especially is a level at which purchasers generally become in every practical sense. All the more exceptionally dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which shows what explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,462.36 level after a vertical development of 0.19% in an especially significant manner. Velo Value Investigation Velo Cost Examination for 01 November 2023, inside a truly everyday time span, sort of made sense of beneath, extremely further appearance, how Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, or so they for the most part thought. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving extremely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving especially normal, EMA, to especially investigate the future development of the Velo, or so they basically thought. The genuinely relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin essentially is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 30, showing how we utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI. Moving commonly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving certainly normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Velo, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking essentially. The Velo United States dollar moving kind of normal combination and disparity, MACD, pointer, truly is demonstrating an in every practical sense, transient sort of sell most certainly signal, as the MACD line basically is moving beneath a lovely sign line which by and large means it explicitly bears truly our ruling on the lookout, genuinely further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.84. Following a value change of 1.12% within a similar time period, which truly is very huge. While Velo's Williams %R marker especially is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, showing an oversold condition and truly momentary pattern in every practical sense, inversion especially is conceivable. Exhibiting what most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,462.36 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Bulls can move the market in vertical course, so Velo's EMA10 essentially shows a fundamentally descending pattern, which especially is genuinely huge. Velo in a real sense is moving in, especially descending heading as for the most part bears effectively sort of take the coin beneath prompt help level of $0.004. Presently Velo ought to sort of track down a help at $0.004 or, in all likelihood, the merchants could then focus on the pivotal help level put at $0.005, exhibiting how 01 November 2023, in this video we will in every way that really matters walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly basically clarified some